What do we got?
Well, you know, they've come out with these special edition NFL cereals. Now, I'm not sure if I should review them all four at once or save them and spread them out. So I'm thinking of spreading them out. The only question is, which one should go first? We got Kamara's King Crunch, DeAndre's Hop Box, Josh's Jacks, and BoJacks. I remember the Mets actually had amazing flakes about 20 years ago. I never actually opened the box and tried it. And the box is now in my storage area. Still unopened.
Probably worth something.
Yeah. So what should I go? Should I go with the Kamara King Crunch, the Hop Box, the Josh Jacks, or the BoJacks? I think we should separate the Jacks.
Okay.
So these will be tried at a later date, so stay tuned. I will be trying all four. Stay tuned as we try the BoJacks. This is Eddie Jackson, the Chicago Bears. You know, the Bears aren't doing too good lately. Well, look, I guess I don't know what order that is. So let's see how these Eddie Jackson's BoJacks are. These are cinnamon toast squares. I guess they're supposed to be like cinnamon toast crunch. And by the way, I don't drink milk, so I always get my cereal dry. So let's see, and my favorite cereal to eat dry is, of course, Captain Crunch. So let's see how these cinnamon toast squares Eddie Jackson's BoJacks taste. This is what they look like, kind of a thin cinnamon toast crunch. Has a nice little tanginess to it, tangy sweet taste to it. I'm gonna give these a 7.4. They're pretty good. Something I will go out of my way to eat. And if you're a fan of the Chicago Bears, it's slightly better than the team this year.